12 ways cucumber can heal your body like magic. Did you know that a simple cucumber can work wonders for your body? From glowing skin to a happy heart, this crunchy green veggie is packed with surprising health benefits. Stick around to discover 12 magical ways cucumbers can transform your health. Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best nutritional tips to keep you fit and fabulous. Today, we're diving into the magical world of cucumbers. Did you know these crunchy green veggies can do wonders for your body? Stick around as we reveal 12 incredible ways cucumbers can heal your body like magic. Let's get started. 1. Hydration booster. First up, hydration. Cucumbers are made up of 96% water, making them a perfect snack to keep you hydrated, especially during those hot summer days. Stay cool and refreshed with this natural water source. 2. Skin savior. Want glowing skin? Cucumbers have got you covered. Their anti-inflammatory properties help reduce puffiness and soothe your skin. Just place a couple of slices on your eyes and feel the magic. 3. Weight loss aid. Narrator. Trying to shed some pounds? Cucumbers are low in calories but high in fiber, helping you feel full longer and reducing the urge to snack. Say hello to a slimmer you. 4. Digestion. Helper. Cucumbers are great for your digestive system too. Their fiber content promotes regular bowel movements and helps prevent constipation. Keep your gut happy and healthy. 5. Antioxidant. Rich. Packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene and vitamin C, cucumbers help fight off free radicals, keeping your cells healthy and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Cheers to better health. 6. Blood sugar control. Managing blood sugar levels. Cucumbers contain compounds that may help lower blood sugar levels, making them a great addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. Crunch your way to better blood sugar control. 7. Heart health. Cucumbers are heart-friendly too. Their potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Keep your tickers ticking with this heart-healthy veggie. 8. Detoxification. Looking to detox? Cucumbers act as a natural diuretic, helping flush out toxins and cleanse your body. Add them to your water for a refreshing detox drink. 9. Bone strength. Strengthen those bones with cucumbers. They contain vitamin K, which is essential for bone health and helps improve calcium absorption. Build a strong foundation with every bite. 10. Anti-inflammatory. Fight inflammation with cucumbers. Their anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce swelling and pain in your joints. Keep moving pain-free with this natural remedy. 11. Oral health. Freshen your breath with cucumbers. Their high water content helps wash away bacteria in your mouth, promoting better oral health and leaving you with a fresh, clean feeling. 12. Stress relief. Finally, cucumbers can help you relax and unwind. Their aroma and cooling effect can reduce stress and anxiety. Take a break, put some cucumber slices on your eyes, and feel the stress melt away. And there you have it, 12 magical ways cucumbers can heal your body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.